Russia presented a comprehensive and landmark offer to India in relation to its fifth-generation stealth fighter jet, the Su-57, and its export variant, the Su-57E. This proposal, which is based on authoritative Russian sources and officials, is intended to considerably enhance India's defense capabilities and support its national Make in India initiative. This offer signifies an unparalleled degree of technological and industrial collaboration. Russia has formally offered India the Su-57E as a completed aircraft, as well as a comprehensive cooperation framework, according to information from prominent Russian media and official statements. This includes the establishment of joint production facilities on Indian soil, technology transfer, and, most importantly, complete access to the source code of the fighter's software. In the global defense sector, transparency and openness are exceedingly uncommon, as exporting nations frequently restrict technology sharing. Vadim Badaha, the CEO of the United Aircraft Corporation, underscored that Russia is prepared to explore the possibility of establishing a local production facility for the Su-57 in India in a manner that is comparable to the successful production of the Su-30 aircraft in that country. The Su-57 is the sole serially produced twin-engine fifth-generation fighter that is actively employed in combat by Russia, which is why India has a strong interest in it, as Badaha pointed out. Badaha reiterated India's status as a long-standing strategic partner of Russia, emphasizing that the proposal goes beyond a straightforward sale to encompass joint development and technology transfer, including software source codes. Alexander Makeev, CEO of Rosoboronexport, also affirmed Russia's readiness to provide both ready-made Su-57 jets and assistance to India in their local assembly and production. Further, Rosoboronexport has demonstrated its willingness to assist India in the development of its own indigenous fifth-generation fighter aircraft by using this technology transfer. The offer stands out for its comprehensive nature and is described by Russian representatives as unprecedented for a foreign defense client. It grants India complete access to the software source code of the Su-57E. This access enables the seamless integration of Indian avionics, mission computers, and indigenous weaponry directly into the fighter's architecture, allowing India to independently modify, maintain, and enhance the aircraft's software systems. For instance, India has the option of incorporating its own Astra beyond visual range missiles and Rudram anti-radiation missiles, which would facilitate operational independence and the customization of the aircraft's combat capabilities. The project includes localized production on Indian territory, as well as co-production capabilities at Hindustan Aeronautics Limited facilities in Nashik, where India currently produces Su-30 fighters. Ultimately, localization is expected to reach 40 to 60%, allowing India to strengthen its industrial foundation and decrease its dependence on imports. The project contributes to the Make in India initiative by fostering the development of indigenous aerospace manufacturing capabilities and the creation of employment opportunities. The proposal emphasizes the integration of Indian systems and armaments. The Su-57E is capable of integrating indigenous weapons systems, onboard electronics, and Indian radar systems, including the Virupaksha-SA radar. This integration enables the aircraft to satisfy India's distinctive operational requirements and capitalize on indigenous defense technologies, thereby enhancing strategic autonomy. The proposal also includes the establishment of joint maintenance and modernization provisions on site. To establish local expertise and sustainment capabilities, Russia proposes the collaborative maintenance and upgrading of the Su-57E within India. This covers the establishment of aviation industry clusters and the Indian component base, which will serve as the groundwork for long-term self-sufficiency in stealth fighter technology. The technological advantages and the reliability of Russia as a long-standing defense partner, as demonstrated by successful existing contracts such as the Su-30 and S-400 air defense systems, are compelling reasons to select Russia. Additionally, India tends to avoid geopolitical dependencies or restrictions imposed by American or Western suppliers, which frequently restrict technology transfer or impose export controls. India's strategic objective of self-reliance is closely aligned with this offer, which will allow New Delhi to develop a fifth-generation fighter that is tailored to its operational doctrines and technological standards, while simultaneously promoting the development of the indigenous defense industry. Additionally, the agreement enhances the defense partnership between Russia and India amid fluctuating geopolitical pressures. Russia is a dependable partner for India in the face of intricate U.S.-China strategic challenges, as it does not impose restrictions based on U.S. regulations or sanctions, in contrast to Western suppliers. Russia's offer offers India a means to improve its air combat capabilities in the Indo-Pacific region without the imposition of external political constraints. Russia has bundled proposals that target India's immediate operational requirements, including the potential supply of Su-35M fighters as a stopgap while Su-57E production begins locally, according to reports from major aerospace exhibitions. This proposal is in addition to the production and technology transfer for the Su-57E. This multifaceted bundle is indicative of Russia's intention to expedite the resolution of India's fighter squadron shortages while simultaneously assisting India in the development of long-term fifth-generation capabilities. Russian sources suggest the potential for Russia to initially deliver 20 to 30 Su-57E aircraft. Russian sources anticipate scaling up local assembly and production to deliver approximately 60 to 70 jets by the early 2030s. The proposal also guarantees the implementation of advanced Russian technologies to enhance India's current Su-30 MKI fleet. The proposal is indicative of a strategic convergence between Russia's defense export requirements and India's self-reliance objectives in the context of Western sanctions and geopolitical realignments. Russia's official offer of the Su-57E to India is a remarkable advancement in defense collaboration, as it integrates the transmission of core technologies, local production, and strategic partnership with the provision of a highly advanced fifth-generation stealth fighter. The initiative is designed to enhance India's Air Force by providing it with a modern twin-engine stealth fighter and to cultivate indigenous defense technology capabilities, which are in close alignment with India's national industrial and strategic priorities. This historic proposal, which has the potential to significantly improve India's defense autonomy and combat power in the coming decades, is articulated by top Russian officials and companies such as UAC and Rosoboronexport. The Su-57E is positioned as a central pillar in the future Indo-Russian defense relationship. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, please take our channel membership, which is very affordable, to encourage us.